Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy an event to a different calendar. So I'm on the event details page, and under more actions, I scroll down a little bit and notice now pretty much every calendar I have shows up with the command copy to this calendar. Okay, so let's do that. I believe I'm already on the school calendar, so let me pick a different one. All right, now notice it did update the page. This is now dealing with the calendar Daniel Vandebunty, that's me. And now I can edit the details. Let's put this on the 11th, save, and then notice it now shows up, middle school track meet. So that's how you can copy an event to a different calendar. Keep in mind, one of the neat things about Google Calendar is you can have a calendar for pretty much anything. If you teach different courses, you can have a calendar for each course. If you coach different teams, you can have a calendar for each team. Whatever, you can have a bunch of different calendars. And if you're going to be busy, maybe you want to copy events or busy times to different calendars.